Hey kiddos, welcome. Let's learn ABC. A apple, ant, ambulance. B butterfly, ball, bee and balloons. C candles, chicken, carrot, cake. D dog, drum, duck and dolphin. E elephant, egg, envelope and eggplant. F fish, flower, fence and frog. G grapes, guitar and wow, gift box. H house, hat, hippopotamus and hammer. Eyes, island, ice cream and igloo. J jug, jelly beans, jelly and jellyfish. K kite, kettle, king and keyboard. L leaf, lion, ladybug and lamb. Yes. Then M mermaid, magnet, moon and mushroom. N nest, numbers, notes and net. Orange, owl, onion and octopus. Pumpkin, panda, pear and parrot. Q queen, quetzal and quilt. Wow. R rainbow, rattle, rose and rocket. S sun, sandals, star and snowman. T tree, target and train. U umbrella, utensils, U-turn and UFO. V vase, vulture, van and wine. W watermelon, wine, whale and window. X xylophone, Xmas tree and X-ray. Y yo-yo, yacht, yarn and yogurt. Z zigzag, zucchini, zero and zipper. Hope you all like the video. Thank you.